attending the birthday party of my son. I wish him a very, very long life, and I should also grateful to her mother who has given this beautiful present to me 50 years back.